Good morning. Thank you for calling Spectrum. My name is Monet. How may I help you today? Customer called in.
Hey, I was calling because a storm came through here in North Carolina. We had a tornado.
Oh my God. I hope you guys all were safe.
Yeah, we are.
Good.
And the internet is really slow.
We went through troubleshooting steps together. I'm definitely saying that there's issues with the connectivity and the signal coming in, okay? We're unsuccessful with getting connectivity, and I was able to get a technician out there to the same day.
I got a service call about a customer losing service due to a tornado. So we got out there within the hour. And with this job, we do work all types of hours, all types of weather situations. And with the tornado damage, the line was down, the pole was replaced, so then we had to go back and run a new line and reconnect her services. That's what I do for our customers. We keep them happy and keep them connected.
Having our internet connectivity is very important. So I was so glad that I was able to make the transaction as smooth and fast as possible.
You know what? This is actually a blessing, so thank you.
You're welcome.